Between the three of us, if there was anything downstairs, it would be in this room.
Oh yeah.
I mean, if there's no reason for an entity or a human or anybody else to be in those back rooms. It's a storage facility, and it always has been a storage facility, even back in the day when it was used. Or just a basement. This is the only place that had people in it.
And there's stuff here that somebody can be attached to now.
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff.
Just don't feel anything creepy-wise at all.
I got this flashlight right to the blank. Can you make that go off for us? Not all that impressed right now.
Well, at this point, I'm just not real married to this place being haunted. So.
Yeah, I haven't had any experiences myself.
That was making you shy.
I just don't feel you're here.
I haven't seen anything to prove it to us.
I don't know who chose the carpet in this room over here. That's hideous. I can't stand it.
Was that stuck in the 60s?
Was that your choice? It's terrible in here. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to sit on your furniture.